non-coding DNA. Chromosomes help separate your DNA into more manageable chunks, while genes give the how-to tutorial for your body. Non-coding DNA helps manage everything going on. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. It's made up of 4 nucleotide bases, guanine, thymine, adenine, and cytosine, which are located inside the phosphate backbone, which I have a model of.
Nice.
For my experiment, I extracted strawberry DNA
Why does it
using
go
the
in the dark
following
line?
steps. And it forms like a goopy, snotty texture.
What is the baby slime fader?
Human DNA and the strawberry DNA are about 60% similar. They both contain adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine, and they both give instructions for like the forms they're in.
What's your favorite color?
What is